Hello there everyone and welcome to Southampton Central Railway Station, and kicking things off is 166208, crawling out of the station 6 minutes late, working the 1305 Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central through to Portsmouth Harbour. Oh, but of course, yeah, you're funny. Whilst arriving in the opposite direction is 166217, working the 1311 Great Western Railway service from Portsmouth Harbour through to Cardiff Central. Arriving to terminate with a South Western Railway service off of Winchester is 450004. Next train out to depart is 220015 and 220028. Working the 1315 cross-country service from Bournemouth through to Manchester Piccadilly. Next train out to depart is 387209, working the 1320 Southern service through to Brighton. Whilst arriving in the background is 444010 and 444013, with the 1324 South Western Railway service of London Waterloo through to both Weymouth and Poole. Flying through the station on platform 1 is 66528, working 4 Mike 65 from Southampton MCT through to Lawley Street. Next train out to depart is 450004, working the 1328 South Western Railway service through to Portsmouth and Southsea. Next train out to depart is 450-005 and 444-037, working the 1330 South Western Railway service from Weymouth through to London Waterloo.
Is the 1336 South Western Railway service to...
Arriving next into the station is 158888, working the 1337 South Western Railway service from Romsey through to Salisbury. Whilst departing off in the opposite direction is 158881, working the 1336 South Western Railway service from Salisbury through to Romsey. Arriving next into the station will be 220031 and 220010, working the 1345 cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly through to Bournemouth.
Our next week manager session is taking place at Wimbledon on Monday the 28th of April. If you've got a question for us, you can ask one of our senior managers in person or just come by and say hello. We'll be there in the afternoon from 4 PM to 7 PM. If you can't make it in person, also book an online meeting by Wednesday the 16th of April. Search.
Arriving to terminate with a South Western Railway service off Portsmouth and Southsea to form the 1356 South Western Railway service through to Bournemouth is 450092. Next train out to depart is 450-016, working the 1355 South Western Railway service from Bournemouth through to Winchester. Next train in to arrive is 444-031 and 444-014, running 7 minutes late with a 1352 South Western Railway service from London Waterloo through to Weymouth.
Zones 5 and 6, cycle stations in zones 2 and 3, 8 and 9, wheelchair facilities in zones 4 and 7.
Next train out to depart is 444-005 and 444-028, with the 1400 South Western Railway service from Weymouth and Poole through to London Waterloo. Arriving to terminate with a southern service off of Brighton is 387126.
Our next week manager session is taking place at Wimbledon on Monday the 28th of April. If you've got a question for us, you can ask one of our senior managers in person or just come by and say hello. We'll be there in the afternoon from 4 PM to 7 PM. If you can't make it in person, you can also book an online meeting.
And to finish off the session here at Southampton Central is 166210, working the 1406 Great Western Railway service from Cardiff Central through to Portsmouth Harbour. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.